And this is how the pillow turned out. Looks pretty good. This is the Goodwill pillow that I redid. And I got it on my couch right here. And this is what it looks like. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. So I'm mixing the metal with the gold and the gray and the creams. Yeah, guys. Hey, y'all. So I'm in Dollar Tree right now, and I don't really need anything. I just was already in the area when I came to my Walmart, and I was like, let me go in Dollar Tree and see what they got. And I'm just really walking through the aisles, just seeing what they got. Don't really need anything particularly. I do got a few things in my hand, but I'll show you guys what all I got when I get in the car. But I like to come in here every now and then and see what they got, see what I can find. Little stuff, little knickknacks here and there. Like these little hefty storage bags right here, they're only eight slider bags, but they're only $1. So I'm about to pick these up, and then I'm gonna get oh, but yeah, like I was saying, you guys, so I'll get like a box of these hefty slider bags, freezer bags, and then I'll probably get like a big box of these larger size, 6 for $1. I mean, and I'll probably get like 2 of those. Can't never go wrong with those. I need some hairpins, but all I got is the brown. I really need black. I ain't got no black hairpins. Then they got these little Gain Glad 13 tall trash bags. I can actually use these for my bathrooms upstairs, so I get a box of those too. Yeah, some people take this job a little bit too serious, honey. You work at the Dollar Tree. And some people take the job a little bit too serious, honey. Are they paying you enough to act like that? Y'all, my breath is so hot up in here. Let me get to the car and let me tell y'all about it. Ooh, y'all. Either this hot as Satan toenails out here, or my breath just real hot. Ooh, child. But yeah, so what I was saying was some people take their job a little bit too serious. I'm like, do they pay you enough to take your job overboard like that? Like, sis, it's not that serious. Like a guy, a granddaddy or papa or whatever he was, you could tell those were his grandkids. He brought with him into the store, and one of them, it was like 3. He had like 3 or 4 little kids, like, but all of them were walking, and one of them didn't have on a pair of shoes. So the worker in there is making this big deal about the child not having on any shoes in the store. I'm like, you see this older man struggling with these little kids. Let the man just get what he need to get and get on out the store. I'm pretty sure he know that the baby ain't got no shoes on. Like, it's damn near 99 degrees out here, and you worrying about the baby having on shoes, which I understand. You know, the baby could get hurt and the baby don't have on shoes, but you ain't got to make no scene like that. You ain't got to cause it. You ain't got to be all, you know what I'm saying, like, act like the man is committing a crime because the baby ain't got no shoes on. Like, people take their job a little bit too serious, honey. You worry about the wrong thing. Homegirl worry about the wrong thing, sis. But anyway, y'all, let me show y'all real quick what I got from Dollar Tree. Like I said, I was just in the area going to another Walmart. This is not the Walmart that I normally go to by my house. And I was just in the area, and I'm like, let me go over to Dollar Tree just to see what they got. I really didn't need any of this stuff, but it's just stuff that I like to go in Dollar Tree every now and then and see what they got. So I got these 2 boxes of hefty slider bags, and it was 6 in a box, so I got 2 boxes of those. And I like to use these to store my meats whenever, like, we go like to Sam's or Costco or anything like that. I'll break my meat in half, you know, break the meat up, my meat packages and stuff, and I'll put them in these little freezer bags and freeze them. And then, like, for my smaller items or smaller packs of things I like to store in the refrigerator, I got 2 boxes of the smaller sizes, and these came 8 in a box. And then I got 2 boxes of this Glade Gain Scent Febreze Freshness, 5 bags of trash bags, and I'll just use these like in the small trash cans for upstairs, for the kids' bathroom and my bathroom. Just something we can have upstairs. Going back in there. Alright, then you guys, I think you guys saw when I got some of this stuff already. I did get a few snacks. I got these Pillsbury mini double chocolate little cookies right here. These are the soft batch, super good. Thank me later. If you've never had these, try these. These are good. Double chocolate. Thank me later. And then, of course, I got the old rusty, trusty Ritz Bites with the cheese in them. And I got me a pack of Trident gum, something I can small and compact. I can just stick in my purse and go about my business. Make sure my breath is fresh. And I saw these bamboo charcoal toothbrushes in there for $1. And I got me and Be Smooth charcoal infused bristles toothbrushes. I'm anxious to see how these work out. And then I saw these Dove hand creams. They got the men Dove, and then they got the women Dove as well. And y'all excuse the black stuff on my fingers. I've actually been outside working and spray painting and stuff like that. But these little hand creams, I figured this would be something cute. Be Smooth can keep in his truck, so he won't be, you know, walking around with the ashy hands. So I got him a thing of men's hand cream, and then of course I got the one for me. And then I purchased these. Now these drinks right here, y'all, they are so good and they cold. These are the I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, y'all, but they're the Italian sparkling drink, and it's the blood orange, sparkling blood orange, and I'm gonna attempt to pronounce it. I'm about to butcher this. San Pellegrino. Oh, that might be right. San Pellegrino. Y'all, if y'all know how to say the right pronunciation of this, y'all leave it in the comment below. But if you guys have ever tried these drinks before, they are super, super good. But I got 2 of these, and I've never tried these espresso monster coffee drinks, so I got a espresso and cream and a vanilla cream. Just got 2 of these for us to try later. Y'all know we love us some energy drinks. And I just got 2 of those. And that is all I got from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, y'all, that's it for my Dollar Tree story. Now, what kind of fudgery is this right here? The tire's taking up most of the darn car. What kind of fudgery is this? Craig, can I borrow your VCR, Craig? Craig, can I borrow your VCR? Let me borrow your VCR to double take. Y'all, I just finished recording my intro and my outro to my closet makeover declutter video, which you guys have already seen that video already. If you haven't, I'll leave it in the iCards above. So I just braided my hair in these two little plaits, whatever. Got my little colorful headband on. I love this headband, you guys. Y'all see that? It is really, really cute. And I did my little makeup or whatever. And don't mind that back there. That's just the residual of taking stuff that I needed for my closet. So we're going to work on this area of the room next. And work on my dresser. But yeah, I'm about to go in this bathroom, take my makeup off real quick. And I hate whenever I have my makeup done. Your girl be looking fine. Barry. I should act ratchet and see what my husband say. But what I was about to say was I hate whenever I have my makeup done and I feel like I look pretty presentable, look pretty cute or whatever, and I have to go and take it off. So I think I'm out to, yeah, I hate that. And y'all, look at my trash nails. I woke up this morning and this nail was gone. I don't know where the nail went. I mean, I don't know. I ain't even checked the sheets or nothing like yet, but the nail was gone. So I was like, you know what? It's time for me to get a new set anyway. So I just cut them down, looking like who did it and why. They look like straight trash. You guys see that? Straight trash. But don't worry. Don't worry. I'm going to get my life together. I'm going to get these nails done this week. Speaking of Mr. B Smooth, here goes Mr. B Smooth right here. You ain't say hey to the vlog all day. Say hey guys.
What's up guys? How you doing?
He told me I look good, y'all. It ain't too often that he tell me I look good. I'm just joking. I guess if you don't say I look good, hell, I'll never fix up that often no more. Now that I've been working from home, ain't it? I don't go nowhere no more, so I don't be fixing up like that. So, I've literally been in this bed almost all day today. As my husband say, going through growing pains. Y'all. Maturing, growing up. Oh, did you get your, that's the trash bags I bought yesterday from the Dollar Tree. That's the one with the Febreze in it. You like those?
Yeah, sure.
So I bought you a box for your trash can, then I got a box for the other trash can in the bathroom. So I think I'm gonna lay here for a little bit and talk to Mr. B Smooth. Byron. Before I take off my makeup. I am really loving my makeup. I did a really good job, I think. I like my new glasses. These came from Firmu. I got these pair, and then I got another pair. Where they at? Let me see. Where are the glasses at? I got these pair right here, and then I also got these right here. Got these as well. These look cute too, Byron, now that I got my makeup on.
I like those.
Yeah, I like this too. They got the little colorful frame around here. They got the gold part, and they got the gold part right here as well. And then I got another pair that's coming too. I got 2 more pair that's coming this week, I think. So I'll do a whole separate video on how I get affordable prescription glasses, because these are prescribed prescription glasses. Yeah, your girl can't see. I'm blind as a bat. When I don't have my glasses, I have to wear contacts. But I'll probably do a separate video on how we buy inexpensive, affordable glasses for the low. Like this pair of glasses and these glasses right here were, how much it was? $40? No, it wasn't $50. I think it was like $20 a piece. Yeah, they were like $20 a piece. So I ended up spending like $42, something like that, for both pair of glasses. And they came ratherly fast. Come on, you know I can edit. So the glasses came rather fast as well for shipping and stuff like that. So I'll wear these whenever I'm feeling the pinky vibe going on. And then I'll wear these whenever I'm doing non-pinky vibes.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name. Been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again, I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, Mosialis, flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, I came in. Did it like the Porsches coming in. Flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with.
Thick piece of meat, but it's good. So this is what the pork chop looks like. They look so delicious. And it's cream cheese and spinach stuffed with the pork chop, and it's bacon wrapped. Yummer, yummer. Yummy. How do it feel to be a year older?
It feels great. A lot of people didn't make it this year due to this corona, so it feels like 100% better to be alive and in the number and blessed to be seeing 37 years on this earth. When most people did not get to see it this year. This has been a crazy year, and I'm just happy, thankful, grateful, and blessed just to see the age of 37.
What are you talking about?
And
Oh, yeah.
I'm blessed to see and continue to see a lot more.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All facts. Alright, now you get that shit up out of here, yo. This ain't break time.
Okay.